So people often ask me, what do I need to know to start learning pattern making? You don't really need to know anything. The most important thing is your love and passion for making beautiful clothes. Lots of people make clothes, and many think it's an easy task. But really, if you want to make special clothes, if you want to make different clothes, if you want to make clothes that stand out, you have to see pattern making as a form of art, because it is really creation. You always start from an original idea. You have a vision, you imagine something, you think how it looks, and then you have to take it step by step. You have to take it from the beginning. You start with your sketch, you put it down in paper, and you know what it is that you want to make. Then you have to think of the person who will wear the garment. So you need the body measurements. That's when you get the perfect fit. And then you need a good, sound method that will help you get there. So you need 3 steps. You need the vision, the idea of what you need to make the design, the body measurements of the person that will be wearing the garment, and a reliable method that will help you get there easily.